Well, I won't have the first round of planes then. I have the second one.
Yeah, planes respawn pretty fast.
Oh, we're outmanned again.
Okay, I'm in a single pilot fighter.
Düşman canımızı okuyor. Düşman tayyaresi görüldü. Düşman tayyaresi görüldü.
Oh damn, double kill.
Raflara doğru. Düşman canımızı okuyor.
How did I kill teammate?
Çok desteği gerek.
It happens when you have fighters in close contact with each other.
Hey, they've taken the flag here.
I was in the middle of nowhere and I crashed and I got shot down.
Dediler. Ağaç üstüne.
Oh, they attacked our airfield.
Yardım. Düşman askerler görüldü. Cepheyi aldık. Bir cepheyi kaybettik. Yardım. Raflara doğru gerek. Düşman rafları bıraktı. Düşmanı gördük. Bir cepheyi kaybettik. İyi, dediler.
It's a catastrophe in the air, man.
İyi, dediler.
One thing, teams.
Cepheyi aldık.
They're unbalanced again.
Oh, it's unbalanced.
1823.
Yes, but we have less superior fighters as well.
Düşmanı geri düştü. Bir cepheyi kaybetti.
Where's that car?
Gaflara doğru. Bir cepheyi kaybetti. Geri dağılın. Şanssız. Cepheyi aldık.
Damn, I didn't know those camel rockets could actually kill you in one shot.
Topçu ateşi lazım. İyi, yediler.
That was by accident.
Düşman saflarımızı açıyor. İyi, yediler. İyi, yediler. İyi, yediler. İyi, yediler. Yardım! İyi, yediler. İyi, yediler. İyi, yediler.
1
Cepheyi aldık. Düşman canımıza okuyor. Top desteği gerek. Düşmanı yok ettik. Bir cepheyi kaybettik. Yardım! Cepheyi aldık.
It's quiet on TeamSpeak.
Yardım! Düşman canımıza okuyor. Teşekkürler. Cepheyi aldık. Raflara doğru. Bir cepheyi kaybettik. Düşman saflarımızı açıyor.
Is anybody still alive on TeamSpeak?
Yeah, I am.
Yes, yes.
Why it's so quiet, man?
Well, I can't hit TeamSpeak when I'm flying, so
Why?
İyi, teşekkürler. İyi, teşekkürler.
Next round you should balance teams, mutants. Because you're the head of the admin group, right?
yeah, we 18 to 22. That's pretty balanced.
Not if they have superior fighters.
Yeah, but we're allowed it's a 5 limit. That's like do about the 5 limit.
Damn, the bomber is not fast.
Yeah. Are they allowed to build planes on the ground?
Is the infantry in the
No,
gun?
there's no land of the planes at all.
Well, one of them just did it. I don't know who, but one of them just did it in front of me.
Strafe attacks on the airfields is not allowed, or?
Damn it, fucking.
Cepheyi kaybettik.
Oh, they drive with cars to the flags.
I need an air traffic controller here.
Teşekkürler. Topçu ateşi
Oh my god, so many collisions with each other.
İyi, yitirdiler.
Yeah, one of our guys is bombing their base. He's one of them.
Kaplara doğru. Yardım. Ağaç üstüne. Ulan canım yok, ağaç üstüne. Tepeyi aldık.
Ooh, we should push the... Oh, never mind.
Tepeyi aldık. Kaplara doğru. Yardım. Yardım.
Okay, I'm back, guys.
You've been AFK a long time, ain't Blake?
I said that I'm going to be a little time AFK.
That's hardly a little time, half a battle.
How are you doing there?
Not good. Their Suspirium maneuverability is killing us, and they still also have higher warship player numbers.
So we are back, squad. And we have meetings, right. Meetings, do you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I just can't spawn because I'm flying.
They have parked a flag car on the northern flag.
A what?
You mean to say they're manning the flag?
Yes.
Yardım. Tepeyi aldık. Aldık, tepeyi kaybettik.
Do we have a car in the base right now? Oh, it's moving. Okay.
Düşmanı geri getir.
Park the plane.
Ulan kaplarımızı açıyor.
What?
Who parked the plane? Allies or Axis?
I don't know. Probably not somebody on TeamSpeak.
Yardım. Düşmanı geri getir.
Damn, I missed the guy on the flag.
Düşman kaplarımızı açıyor. Düşmanı geri getir. Ağaç üstüne. Tepeyi kaybettik. İyi, bir ya.
Håkan, are you here?
Oh man, what happened there was just funny. I was shut down and my plane landed right on top of the guy in the pom-pom.
Beni de alın.
Håkan, you are with me. We are going to take a car and go in the D5.
Yeah.
We are attacking there, taking the taking the AA guns, and we have to kill the infantry.
Yeah, I'm gonna try do it.
Yeah, I'm wondering where is the car? We spawned here, but I don't know where it is.
I'm guessing there's only one car.
That's the car that's the second flag driving the main for some novice reason.
User joined your channel.
Oh, they have.
Hello, user.
He has 2 machine gunners on the train.
Who is heading to the main in car?
I'm looking at it.
Okay, how can we have to wait? Because
It's
the
Raider.
Oh,
Z, you to the left. Z, you to the left.
User left your channel.
can I drive?
Yeah.
shall I give you air cover? Game player, should I keep flying over you to give you air cover?
Right. Okay,
User was
Håkon,
moved out
I'm
of
broke
your
in the...
channel.
What? Right.
Infantry running to the flag left side. Flag
Okay.
player.
What?
It's an info on the left side heading to the AA gun. I will drove through him. Was on the left side. He's going for the steel
Oh,
running.
we
gun.
have to stop him.
Yeah, he's running to the AA gun.
Let's stop him.
Oh, he killed me.
He got pistol. Damn, man. Our car is there. Can anyone destroy the car?
I'll try to destroy it. Give me a second.
Is it destroyed?
No,
User joined
it's
your channel.
hard to kill with this slow firing machine gun.
User left your channel.
Okay, I got pistol.
Oh, I got it.
User
But I
joined
got
your
myself in
channel.
the... Oh well.
Nice.
Grenade, were you also raised on in the channel?
Z, you to the left.
I got 1 kill. How?
Don't ask me how I got so many kills. Most of the time I think I fired at a plane a while ago and then they crash in each other and I get the kill.
Is the AA gun moving in the D3? Håkon, I'm passing the train and we're gonna watch is there any infantry.
Yeah, try to drive so he can't shoot with the gun if it's somebody in it. Because we are an easy target while we're coming. It's like shooting ducks.
Now there's nobody in the AA gun at that flag.
Okay. Should I go in the gun or?
Not that one. We don't need it.
Plane right side.
Oh, they are shooting us.
Yeah, it's from the flag.
Car moving. Jump out and check this.
I'll try to capture this flag.
One infantry down. How's the other?
I'm dead.
User left your channel.
I saw infantry somewhere.
He's outside.
Oh, then take that A gun here. No, not there. Here, where I am.
Yüklediler.
Yeah.
Is it a medic box somewhere here?
Well, I don't know. Don't know.
Aeroplane here.
I have killed the guy on the AA.
That is ammo. Well, you can take this AA gun here. I take the other one there.
Yeah. I hear a plane.
Düşman teyyaresi görüldü. Kaplara doğru. Düşman kaplarımızı atıyor.
Oh damn, does that kill me?
Cepheyi aldık. Bir cepheyi kaybettik.
There are so many mid-air collisions.
Cepheyi yüklediler. Topçu atışı lazım. Yardım! Kaplara doğru.
Are you shooting, Hogan?
Yeah.
Good.
Kaplara doğru.
What is the next map?
Kaplara doğru. Topçu
Are we
atışı
just saying?
Okay.
Düşman canımızı okuyor. Cepheyi aldık.
No, he managed to land.
Yeah, so.
Kaplara doğru.
He's coming. No.
Ah, now we managed to capture both flags.
Düşman askerler göründü.
Oh, we are losing.
If we all stay alive,
Not good.
That
If they can one of us, we lose. Oh?
I think that was me.